Hello and welcome to the video where we're going to be talking about the equation of the line, in this case in the slope-intercept form, where indeed we are given a point and a slope. The point is given is 8 and minus 5 and the slope is 3/4. My first step is always to write down the equation of a tangent line, just equation in a slope-intercept line here, which is y minus y sub 0 equals m times x minus x sub 0. Now we need to understand what is given and what is not given. Well, remember this equation. What is y sub 0? Y sub 0 is the given output from the original point, and x sub 0 is the given input of the original point. So 8 is x sub 0 and y is minus 5. That's the idea. That's how you know why this point was given in the first place. Then what is m? M is slope. Slope is exactly 3/4. So we can write down that m equals 3/4. Everything is given here, y sub 0, m, and x sub 0. Step 2, plug everything in. Y minus 5 equals 3/4 times x minus 8. Just plug, that's my second step. Now they want us to write down everything in the form of y equals mx plus b. Well, first let me simplify. Y minus 5 is y plus 5 equals 3/4 times x is 3/4 x, and 3/4 times 8 is minus 24 or 4, which can be just 6. Let's simplify 3/4 x minus 5 minus 24 over 4. The final answer is y equals 3/4 x minus 5 and minus 6, that's 24 over 4, is minus 11. Put it in the box, that is the answer. But some students like to use second way of writing an equation with a given point and a given slope. And this way is good too, and sometimes is faster. Let's see the second way. Way 2. Y equals mx plus b. That's the form they want us to answer. That's the form they want us to use to answer anyways. So in this case, x and y will be used as 8 and minus 5. X is 8, y is minus 5. M is still slope, which 3/4. Step 2 is the same. Plug everything in. Minus 5 equals 3/4 plus b. Minus 5 equals 3/4 times 8, that's my x, plus b. Solve for b. B is on the right hand side. So b equals minus 5 minus 3/4 times 8. Well, what is 3/4 times 8? 8 over 4, that's 2. Minus 3 times 2, that's 6. So b is minus 5 minus 6, which is minus 11, which we had before. The answer follows 3/4. Y equals 3/4 x. 3/4, that's the given slope m, plus b. B we just found in purple color, that's minus 11. And the answer is the same. Students can choose which way they like. That doesn't really matter. Just make sure your answer is correct. And in each case, the speed depends on the question. Sometimes the first way is faster, sometimes the second way is faster. Choose the one you like and just make sure you mastered it and you feel comfortable about both cases and both formulas. And the both formulas are y minus y sub 0 equals m times x minus x sub 0, or y equals mx plus b. And in both cases, you know what to plug and why we're doing it. Hopefully now you understand, and see you in my next video.